very warm wish for a happy Easter from myself and the broadcasting crew viewers. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, presenting you the domestic and international news prepared for this session, live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Hermela Gramai, inviting you to join us on our tonight's news broadcast. Let's start with the major headlines. Easter holiday celebrated nationwide. National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Organizations Week in Gashbarka region. US to have its troops in Syria. And 5.9 magnitude quake hits Afghanistan and Tajikistan border region. In our detailed domestic news, Easter holiday was colorfully celebrated nationwide today. The prayer service at St. Mary Church in Asmara, led by His Holiness Abuna Basilios, 6th Patriarch of the Orthodox Tewahedo Church of Eritrea, was attended by President Isaias Afwerki and a large number of the faithful. In his Easter message, His Holiness Abuna Basilios extended his heartfelt congratulations, wishing a happy Easter, peace and development to the Eritrean people, both at home and abroad, particularly to the faithful and members of the Eritrean Defense Forces. He also called upon the faithful to lend support to disadvantaged citizens. Easter holiday was also celebrated in a vibrant and joyful manner across the country. In other news, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Week was organized in all subzones of the Gashbarka region with the aim of strengthening the role of youth in the implementation of development programs. The week, held under the theme Our Strength, Organization, Our Vision Development, featured various programs highlighting the activities of union members in realizing the objectives and mission of National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students. Mr. Marcos Girmatzion, acting head of the union branch in the region, stated that the mission of the union is to nurture competent youth equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge while upholding the noble values of society. He also noted that the objective of organizing the week was to enhance the overall understanding of the youth and strengthen their participation in national affairs. At the events, administrators of the subzones expressed their readiness to actively contribute to all union-related activities. Heads of the union branch in the subzones also presented activity reports detailing achievements registered, challenges encountered, and the measures taken to address those challenges. Dear viewers, stay tuned for our international news right after the short break. Welcome back. The United States will roughly halve its troops in Syria to less than 1,000 in the coming months from around 2,000 soldiers of America, said a U.S. military official. According to Pentagon spokesperson, the U.S. Central Command will remain poised to continue strikes against the remnants of the Islamic States. The U.S. forces have established various bases in the oil-rich areas in northeastern Syria's province and took control of the oil and gas fields there. According to reports, America has experienced military investments in Syria since 2014. In our today final international news, an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.9 jolted Afghanistan and Tajikistan border region by Saturday morning, the German Research Center for Geosciences reported. The epicenter, with a depth of 85.5 kilometers, was initially determined to be at 36.13 degrees north latitude and 71.38 degrees east longitude, it added. The 6.3 Richter earthquake occurred in October, caused the deaths of more than 2,500 people, according to reports. Dear viewers, we are done with the news prepared for this session, and now it's time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Easter holiday celebrated nationwide. National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Organizations Week in Gashbarka region. US to have its troops in Syria. and 5.9 magnitude quake hits Afghanistan and Tajikistan border region. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for tonight. Thank you for joining us and have a blessed one. Again, happy holiday.